Hi friends, Sherry Rite here. So listen to this, come on up. So today we're going to play with the new Moroccan oil. It's a Demi Permanent acid, so it's more see-through than solid and reflective. And we're going to do some testing. We have 6 shades we're going to test out. We're gonna start with a 10V as in violet. Let's see the exact amount of violet that they actually have in there. Then we have a 7 green. How green is that? We have a 6CR copper red. Let's see if it truly lives in a copper red. 9N, what is their natural? Is it more cool? Is it warm? Is it truly in the natural series? And then we have a 10B, which is blue, and an 8C as in copper. Let's truly see what that 8C is. Is it gonna be orange with a little bit of yellow? Is it gonna be orange with a little bit of red? Is it gonna be a combo of all 3? So that's what we're gonna do. So let's start right now. It is mixed equal parts. This is what I've learned so far. It's mixed equal parts with their designated gloss activator, and we just figured out it's about a 7 volume, it's 2% hydrogen peroxide. And let's start with the first one, 8C. It's either 8C or 8.4. So depending on how you like it as a hairdresser, if you refer to the alphabet or the numeric number, your choice. So let's do this. So let's start with a 1/2 ounce of the 8.4. Make sure you use a beaker. I'm going to do a 1/2 ounce. There we go. We see it's got some nice oxidative and direct dyes already in there. We like that visual. Take your swatch out, pour that in, be very precise. Now I'm gonna take my activator. Remember, it's a 7 volume, 2% hydrogen peroxide, and it's equal parts. So we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of this as well. Oh, it's liquid, you see that? So you guys are just as thrilled as I am. We haven't played with this yet, so let's see. All right, there's my 2% hydrogen peroxide. I mix it in. Let's see. Doesn't smell bad. I like it. Goes a little gelatinous, which is good for application when you're doing a root shadow and a glaze. I gotta give it one more whirl. Not bad at all, it smells very clean. And then here's my swatch, and you can see what I'm swatching it on. Pure white hair. And really soak that in there, let it bathe into that color. I really work it through. Once I know it's thoroughly saturated, I'm gonna let that sit right in there, and we're gonna process it for 20 minutes. We're gonna shampoo it, we're gonna dry it and flat iron it, and then we'll come back to you. But until then, I'm gonna go ahead and test out the remaining 5. See you guys soon. All right, so here we go. We just finished mixing them. Remember, it's the Moroccan Oil, the Demi Permanent Gloss, and the activator is about a 7 volume, 2% hydrogen peroxide, equal parts mixing. But I want you to come in and take a look at this. We literally just finished mixing this. This one is 10V Violet. All right, no oxidation occurring quite yet. This is 7GR. This is making me really very, very interesting because look, here it is. 7GR, the description is medium matte blonde, but the bar here is green. So let's see what actually starts to happen in this one. This one's gonna be fun to watch. Here we have 7CR. Lovely, lovely, lovely. These are all 100% oxidative dyes. We know that this one is gonna really go deep dive into that cortex of the hair and develop. It's not gonna really lay on that shaft of the hair fiber. This one here is the N series. Looks kind of cool to me with it already oxidizing. Let's wait and see. 10B. I see a little bit of the, B is supposed to be blue, but I see a little bit of a green blue still on the cooler side, but it's just maybe, what, 4 minutes in oxidation so far. So let's see where that one progresses to. Fun, fun, fun. I do love a good red. This is 8C. I first see orange. I'm sure you guys see that also. It'll be interesting to see if this one actually has any tan in it. So, all right, we're gonna let them all process for 20 minutes and then we'll show you the end results. Hi guys, so we're back. So come closer, I wanna share with you the end results. Actually come around here, Gianna. So here's the level system, and just to recap, we have 10V, which is violet. Here's the container, 10V, remember it's in the alphabet plus the numeric, and I love this with the Moroccan oil. They have the bar up here, which is the tone as well. So you have a few reminders of what you're looking at, the 10V, the 10.2, and the violet band. So here's the end result. It's not bad, I like it. And then here we have 10B or 10.1. Here's our blue band. And oh, look at this one. Very cool, very drabbing absorption of warmth. I like this as well. And then we have the 9N, which is their natural series. It's fine, it's a natural series. Here we have the tan, we have the N, and we have the 0.0, and then we have 8C. I like this one. It could be a little bit more vibrant, but maybe it is out in the sunlight. Here we have 8C, 8.4, and here's our bar of the orange. Here we have the 7GR, which I do believe this is going to be a winner. This is going to be great for root shadowing. It's going to be great for absorption of any warmth in the hair at a level 7. It's not too dark. Here's our bottle, 7GR, 7.7, and there's that lovely green bar. Here we have 6CH, which is 6.9. I hear this is the new favorite, which is their chocolate shades. My personal and professional opinion is I'm not really loving it, but that's just me. Looks kind of mauvey to me. You go up to the bar, it doesn't look mauvey, but that's that. You know, you make your own choice. Here we have 6V, 6.2, and here's the bar. It's definitely violet. So let's take a look at the natural level system. So is the 10V at a level 10? Yep. Is the 10B at a level 10? Yes. The 9N, oh, look at that. Yep. 8C, maybe right in between 7 and 8. And then we have 7G. I think it's spot on, actually, level for depth, right? Don't you guys agree? And then we have the 6 chocolate, not my favorite. I would say it's falling right around the 7 instead of the 6. And the 6 violet, maybe right here in between the two. But overall, I think it was a good choice. So if you guys have not already tried the new Moroccan Oil Demi Acid, why not? Give it a whirl. Think about this, when you would choose a Demi Acid over a Demi Alkaline, when you would choose a Demi Acid over a permanent hair color, when you're wanting to put a veil of tone over your work, to blend away gray, to do a root shadow and a melt, many different things you can do. If you have hair that's super, super challenged and it's a correction, always reach for a Demi Acid. It's the most gentle color you could use on the hair fiber. It's not gonna blow up the fiber of the hair. So I hope you guys liked it. Talk to you soon. Bye.